Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We're going to walk you through creating a counter app using react.js. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your React skills, this basic tutorial is perfect for you. So let's dive right in. The first step in creating a counter app with React.js is setting up your development environment. We recommend using a code editor like Visual Studio Code. You'll also need Node.js installed on your system. Once you have these tools ready, you're good to go. Now, let's create a new React app. Open your terminal and use Create React App to kickstart your project. For example, you can use the command npx create react app counter app. This will generate all the necessary files and dependencies for your project. We'll create a simple UI with a counter display and buttons for incrementing and decrementing the count. You can style it using CSS or any other framework of your choice. To make the counter interactive, we'll utilize React hooks, specifically useState. This hook allows us to manage and update the state of our counter. We'll import useState from React and initialize our count variable with it. Then, we'll create functions to increase and decrease the count. For instance, here's how you can use useState and create the increment and decrement functions in your component. Lastly, we'll connect our increment and decrement functions to the buttons in our UI. This allows users to interact with the counter. When a button is clicked, it triggers the corresponding function, updating the count and re-rendering the component. For instance, you can add event listeners to your buttons like this, and there you have it. Let me correct this mistake. We have to use square brackets instead of curly brackets. You've just learned how to create a basic counter app using React.js. We covered setting up your development environment, creating a new React app, designing the counter component, managing state with React hooks, and connecting events to UI elements. Now it's your turn to get creative and enhance your counter app with additional features. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech tutorials. See you next time.